second graders, welcome back to Math with Mrs. Sutton. So today, boys and girls, we are going to still continue comparing numbers. The past 2 days we've been doing it with a greater than, less than, and equal sign, but today we want to order the numbers from least to greatest. So let's get started. Just like when we use the greater than, less than, and equal sign, we always looked at the number in the hundreds place. So since the directions say put the numbers in order from least to greatest, we want to find the one that is the least of the hundreds. So here I see a 400. Whoops. I see a 400, a 600, 400, 700, 600, and 700. So I have to think, out of those hundreds, which one is worth the least? Well, I know 700 is a lot more than 400, so I know it's not going to be the 700s, and same with the 600s. Those are more than 400s. So I have 467 and 476. So those are the two that I'm going to look at first. This one and this one. All right. Now, when I look at these, they both have 400. So I really don't know. So I need to look at the tens place value and figure out what the tens place value to figure out which one is less. So I have 60 and 70. Ooh, 60 is less, so I know that my first one is going to be 467. And I'm going to cross that out because I've already used that. So then, back at the hundreds, that's right, I have my 400, so then 476. So I'm going to cross that one out because I've already used it. Now, I start at the hundreds again. 600, 700. Oh, 600 is less than 700, so I know it might be this one. Maybe. And if I keep on looking at the other ones, ooh, this one has a 600 too. So, and that one's 700. So I know that the 700s can't be next. So now I'm going to look at the two 600s. I see 674. So in the tens place, 70. What's this tens? 40. Which one is less? 70 or 40? That's right, the 40. So my next number is going to be 647. And then I'm going to cross it out because I've used it. I don't want to scribble it out because if I make a mistake, I still want to be able to see the number. After 647 is 674. Now I have two more numbers to look at. My 700s and a 700 here. So since they both start with the 700, which place value will I look at next? That's right, boys and girls. I'm going to look at the tens place. This 10 is 40. This one is, what? I can't hear you. 60. So which one is less? 40 or 60? 40 is less. So I'll have 746 and 764. So remember, we really need to pay attention for which way it says to organize it. This time it said least to greatest, so that's smallest to largest. Then I look at all the numbers and I look at the place value of the hundreds, and I'm finding which one is the least, the smallest hundred. So I started with my 400s. But since they both started with 400, then I have to look at which place? That's right, my tens. And I saw that 60 is less than 70. What if the tens were the same? What if they both had started with a 60? What's the next place that I would look? That's right, at my ones. Good job, mathematicians. I will see you tomorrow. Have fun in math today. Bye.